All right, come on now. I noticed that the ball joint boots were ripped. So getting in there, tie rod ends are done, but now doing the ball joints just in case. Preventative maintenance. I don't want to have a ball joint fail or be clunking real bad on me on the road trip. So that's where we're at. We got the new ones in from Suspensia Chassis Parts. There's your part number. Made in Turkey. Oh, there's the updated spellings. One of my friends was telling me Turkey is no longer, the country's no longer spelled Turkey with the accent over the U. Now it's this spelling with the IYE at the end. So, okay, whatever. But we're gonna go ahead and install this. And the driver's side, which we're working on, came with a new mounting bracket and bolts and washers, so that's pretty cool. So we will get going on that. And I am still waiting for FedEx to deliver the pickle fork ball joint splitter. So while I was waiting, I just took my mini sledge. This is a Mac branded mini sledge. I think it's a 3-pound head. Yes, 3-pound head. And I just pulled the knuckle out this way, and I carefully, swung down in there, avoiding this this line here, and of course the axle to put the nut on just in case. And I was able to get enough wax on it, good solid wax. I was able to get the old ball joint out of there. You can see it. Of course, it's going to mushroom the end of the threads a little bit, but this is the old one. This is going in the trash. All right, new one will go in. And what else? So waiting on my air filter to come in, but that's simple. Then I'll change the oil and do the headliner. So anyways, thanks for watching. And oh, I had to go buy a 30mm 12-point socket so I can get the axle nuts off. And with my Milwaukee mid-torque impact, I was able to get these bad boys off. So I didn't need the high torque, thankfully. That would have been another 300 bucks. Thanks for watching. Work continues on the Beetle, but not much more work. Knock on fender.